The Martinsburg Substation is over 50 years old. It's served its useful life, it's done its job, and it's time for it to be replaced. We will be replacing it with new and innovative design that will minimize customer outage times. It will improve reliability. It will reduce maintenance costs for our customers. The old substation will be replaced with two new pad mount transformers. These transformers will have the ability to switch between the two. Those smart switches will identify where the problem is. They will isolate the problem, and then they will restore power to those customers that can be restored. In addition to replacing the substation, we will be replacing many poles in town. We will replace every single transformer in town. We will be adding other switches. We will be replacing switches. We're basically rebuilding the entire electrical system in Martinsburg, Missouri.
So this transformer weighs about 19,500 pounds.
The company that made the transformer that's going in here is based in Washington, Missouri, called WEG Transformers, and they just announced a third building expansion in Washington to accommodate in large part Ameren Missouri's demand for new transformers. So 56% of the suppliers that provide equipment to Ameren Missouri for the smart energy plant are Missouri-based.
We're spending millions and millions of dollars in our state to do these smart energy plant projects. We've got suppliers, we've got contractors that help us do the work. We're creating jobs in Missouri at a high level.
Burns & McDonnell as a whole in our St. Louis group has almost doubled in size since last year. Particularly our T&D group is extremely busy.
It's allowing us to help our suppliers to grow their businesses so that they can employ more people, and so it's a win-win for everyone.